In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate an image in Adobe Express. To get started, open your project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're already inside the design where you want the animation to happen, so you can immediately preview the effect in the right context. This is helpful because animation can look different depending on the layout, the size of the image, and the overall composition of your project. Once your project is open, click on the image you want to animate. Selecting the correct image first is important because Adobe Express applies the animation settings to the element you currently have active. After the image is selected, look over to the left side panel and click on the Animation tab. This is where all the motion options for your image are stored. Inside the Animation panel, you'll see 3 tabs across the top: In, Loop, and Out. These categories help you organize the type of movement you want. In animations, control how the image enters the scene. Loop animations keep the image moving continuously while it's on screen. Out animations control how the image leaves. Choose the tab that matches the effect you're going for, and then start browsing through the available animation styles. A useful tip here is to hover over an animation before clicking it. Hovering lets you preview how that animation will look on your image, which makes it much easier to compare different options without committing right away. Once you find one that fits your project, go ahead and click it to apply the animation. If you want to refine the effect further, click the sliders icon on the animation you selected. This opens the settings for that specific animation. Depending on the animation style, you may be able to adjust options like speed, spring, squish, direction, or pin area. Not every animation includes every setting, so the controls you see may vary. These adjustments are useful for making the movement feel softer, faster, more dramatic, or more aligned with the visual style of your design. Take a moment to test a few settings and preview the result. Small changes can make a big difference in how polished the animation feels, especially if you're creating content for presentations, social media, or short promotional visuals. And that's it. That's how you animate an image in Adobe Express. Once you've chosen your animation and adjusted the settings to your liking, your image is ready to bring more motion and energy to your project.